All right, everybody, what do we got here for you today? So we have the Icon's 90-tooth 1/4-inch drive flex head ratchet, and we're going to pop this open. Got your nice little cleaning rag. I'm gonna pop this open, and it's your normal run-of-the-mill ratchet, right? Well, as per viewer suggestion, we have ordered the Tekton kit, and we will be dropping in the 3/8 drive into this 1/4-inch ratchet to make it a small body 3/8 ratchet. This is only able to be done with the 1/4-inch from Icons in their flex line because of the faceplate. Unless you want to do faceplate modifications, which I might be doing in the future, stay tuned. This is a plug and play. I'm going to show you how easy it is to get this handled, get this switched over, and let's see what we can do. Get her on the bench here, parts tray, and get to working here. And it really comes with everything. This is everything. Comes with super lube. It even comes with the bit that you need to take apart this ratchet with. Check that out. I got me an old school Craftsman for this one. Pop that in there. Let's get to opening this up. Don't want to get them mixed up with the other ones. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna take out this faceplate. That is what your ratchet looks like. So we're gonna take out this. I mean, they are on the money. Pretty much nuts. Look at how wild. Switch that one for the Tekton one. Like that. Okay. Take your spring. Place that. Your faceplate. Place that. We're not going to lube it or grease it or anything. This is going to come back apart. I'm going to re-lube it and re-grease it. The bits from Tekton are not magnetic. I might pull this back apart and rechange the selector, the springs potentially. Got some really small bits here. There you go. You've successfully switched over your 1/4-inch to a 3/8. But I just wanted to show how easy, how simple it is to change your Icon to a 3/8 drive. You can buy these from Tekton. These small body ratchets that are flex head. But there's something about that grip. I love these grips. I'm not really a fan of just having the raw metal in my hands. I mean, the Tekton's head's even smaller, but now you have yourself a 3/8 drive ratchet in a 1/4-inch body. This little cleaning cloth is pretty funny. Polish up your ratchet. Very cute, very nice. If you want to see more content like this, or you have any questions, Please feel free to reach out in the comments below. If you're looking to do this for yourself, these are the two things that you're going to need. You're going to need the 90-tooth 1/4-inch drive ratchet flex head, make sure it's a flex head, and the Tekton repair kit for $9, the SRH 9X014. 3/8 ratchets are the go-to. I mean, here's a snap-on 3/8. In comparison, I mean, it's just night and day. This is the G2, and thanks for watching.